Have you ever asked yourself, why do I work so hard, but still feel broke? You wake up early, you put in the hours, you're doing everything they said to do, yet your bank account feels like it's constantly running on empty. You're not alone. Millions of people live like this, working harder and harder every year, but never feeling financially secure. It's like running on a treadmill that never stops. You're moving, but going nowhere. But let's ask the deeper question. Why do most people stay broke, even when they earn enough money to not be? You see, being broke has less to do with how much you earn, and everything to do with how you think, how you spend, and how you use your time and energy. Let's break it down. Most people think that being broke means not having a job, or earning minimum wage, or being unlucky. But the reality is this. You can make $60,000, $80,000, or even $100,000 a year, and still live paycheck to paycheck. You can have the car, the phone, the clothes, and still have nothing in your savings account. No assets, no investments, no freedom. So here's the hard truth. Being broke is not a number. It's a mindset. It's a system. It's a trap. And once you understand the trap, you can start planning your escape. Trap number 1, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, and instead of saving it, you increase your rent. You upgrade your phone, your car, your streaming services. And just like that, your expenses rise to match your income. This is why so many people earn more money, but stay broke. Because they use money to look rich, not become rich. Trap number 2, lack of financial education. We're taught how to take tests, but not how to manage credit cards, avoid high-interest debt, or invest for the future. We learn how to memorize dates and history, but not how to build wealth. Think about it. You probably spent more time in school learning how to find the square root of 81 than how to open a Roth IRA. Trap number 3, emotional spending. Money is emotional. People spend to feel good, to feel in control, to feel seen. You have a bad day? You order food. You feel lonely? You buy something online. You feel stressed? You treat yourself, but emotions fade, and the financial consequences don't. Trap number 4, short-term thinking. Most people think only about this week, not this year, not the next 10 years. They trade long-term freedom for short-term fun, because the pain of discipline is uncomfortable. But the pain of regret? That's worse. It just comes later. Trap number 5, everyone lives like this. This one is dangerous. We look around and think, well, nobody I know has investments. Everyone I know is in debt. This must be normal. Yes, it is common, but it is not okay. Just because everyone around you is drowning doesn't mean you have to sink too. Now let's flip the script. Let me show you exactly how to escape the broke cycle and start building freedom. This is not theory. This is the blueprint used by people who got out. Step by step. Step 1. Track every dollar. You can't change what you don't measure. Track every cent you spend for 30 days. You'll feel uncomfortable. You'll be surprised. That's good. It means you're waking up. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, an app, anything. The goal is awareness, because awareness is power. Step 2. Audit your life. Ask yourself, what do I pay for that doesn't serve me? What expenses are habits, not necessities? What subscriptions do I ignore? Cut the waste. Keep the essential. Build your budget like you build your body, lean and strong. Step 3. Build a freedom fund. Before you try to get rich, build a cushion. Save $1,000, then aim for 3 months of expenses. This isn't your vacation money, it's your peace of mind money. The fund that lets you say no to toxic jobs and bad clients. Freedom starts here. Step 4. Pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer, even if it's just $25 a week. Put it into an investing account before you pay rent, bills, or anything else. Make your future self the first person you pay. Step 5. Start investing. Don't wait for a better time. Time is your most valuable asset, and compound growth depends on it. Start with low-cost ETFs like VOO, SCHD, VT. Set it. Automate it. Let it grow. Step 6. Earn more. Through skills, you can only save so much, but you can always earn more. Instead of buying a new phone, buy a course. Learn how to write, sell, code, speak, teach, lead. The more skills you build, the less you depend on others. Step 7. Upgrade your environment. If everyone around you complains, spends recklessly, and stays broke, change your circle. Listen to podcasts, read books, follow creators who teach, not flex. Find a new community, even online, that makes growth feel normal. Step 8. Rewire your mindset. Repeat this to yourself. I will not trade my future for short-term pleasure. I don't need to impress anyone. I need to be free. I choose habits that make me rich in time, money, and peace. Affirmations are not magic, but they change how you see the world. And that's where real change begins. And finally, step 9. Play the long game. Real wealth doesn't happen in 3 months. It happens in years, through repetition, through boring consistency. Broke people chase excitement. Wealthy people build systems and stick to them. So here's the question. Are you willing to trade 5 years of discipline for 50 years of freedom? Or are you going to keep doing what everyone else does and wonder why nothing changes? The choice is yours. You don't have to stay broke. You don't have to wait. You can start building your escape right now. Small habits, small wins, every single day. If this message hit home, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for weekly content that helps you build wealth, think clearly, and stay free. Remember, being broke is hard. Building wealth is also hard. Choose your heart. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.